How are you? My name is Kyle. I'm the install shop manager down here at Strobes & More. I'm here today to show you our new E64 Xtreme stick. It is an addition to a couple other of our Xtreme line products, such as the E66 and the E68 Xtreme. The big selling point on this is that there is individual control of each light. So from this side over to here, there's a wire for each light head. They're only steady, so they do need to be flashed externally. We have great luck flashing these with Whelen core. Haven't used them on Blueprint. There are many other flashers on the market that they will be compatible with, but it comes with a 7.5 foot lead on the light. It is an aluminum extrusion, similar to most of our E-Series products. Each light head comes in a variety of colors, whether it's amber, green, red, blue, white, all interchangeable, customizable. You can replace them in the field if you ever do have any issues, which you won't. It comes with 2 L brackets and the associated mounting hardware to mount the light to the brackets. And then you get with your 7.5 foot lead, there's your ground and then your 4 wires for each individual light head. So you have our red, we have our next red, we have our blue, and then we have our next blue. So each light is only steady, it needs to be flashed externally. We have had good luck setting these up as well, where you have color portion on the ends, such as a red and a blue, or an amber and a red, and then white in the center to do something like a flood. But mainly we use these for warning. That is our E64 Xtreme light.